from the company Odelan is a remote control tripod stand for your Sony cameras, Z and E series. Check online for further details about the makes and models they offer and accessories. We're going to unbox and show you what you get inside the box. As we open up and take everything out, we have here is the control with an OLED. Please remember to peel all film and protections off. We have a lanyard strap, a USB-C compliance cable, and instruction guides. Going over the tripod on the side is a press and button to adjust the tripod head, 1/4 20 thread large spin wheel with a rubber mat on top. Opening up the tripod stand is a button in the back that simply allows you to open up the legs by pulling and locking into place. The gimbal head by pressing the button and snapping in at 25% level turns. On the bottom is a release mechanism for the remote control. The lanyard strap can be put on the remote control over here, and it's a rechargeable USB-C side area. Plug in for the first time, and let's charge the unit up. Plug in a USB-C cable and allow the unit to charge. Turning on the unit will scan for your camera. We have a negative, a positive, an AF automatic focus on and off, the shutter button for record, the camera button for snapping photos, a Z and F, a C1, the on and off, and the pair button. Pressing on the button, you see the words Bluetooth, looking with S, scanning, and battery life 100%. Pressing on the buttons will not work until you pair. With the Sony ZV-1F, place into the 1/4 tripod hole and screw down. Placing back the remote control with the locking mechanism in the up, the tab, and the locking tab on the bottom to secure into place. Turn the camera on, into menus, and search for remote control. Look for Bluetooth number 4, press OK, pair, turn on the unit, hit the pairing button, and pair the unit together. The unit is being paired by clicking OK and confirming. This is the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. We are going to pair up the unit by simply turning on the camera's menu. Locate Bluetooth, turn on. Pairing, turning on the unit, searching, pairing by the pairing button for 3 seconds. Allow pairing, OK. Connecting to the device and pair. Back out. Zoom in, zoom out, snap for video. Again to stop. Take a photo by changing the modes. ZF, autofocus on and off. With the tripod as a handle, main handle closing up, and adjusting the camera angle by the button to press, as well as rotating by hitting the button in different 25% angles. You have the option for your camera needs in a tripod stand, for vlogging needs. I hope this is a product that you are looking for. in your camera accessory gear. Thank you for viewing, and I hope this is the right product for you.